Hey, Dana here, and welcome to the vlog. And this is almost 24 hours since I've had the Moderna COVID-19 vaccination completion, my second shot. My arm hurts. I might have had a slight period there where I was a little tired, but other than that, I guess I'm one of the lucky ones. No headaches, really no thought that I even had it, other than just my arm hurts. No. See if there's any that kind of blue. It's just the video. It's just in the screen. Other than that, it all depends on you. Me, I'm healthy, 60 years of age. My chemistry, I'm an A negative. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. They're kind of saying that it has to do with your blood type. But then again, you know, I think it all depends on your makeup, what you've been exposed to all your life. Me being half of my life was in the Navy, and I was exposed to a lot of stuff, including asbestos. So I'm waiting for that maybe to show up on me as I get even older here. As a volunteer firefighter for 13 years, probably inhaled a lot of stuff there. I like to weld, so burning metal, spray painting, a lot of chemicals that I've inhaled. I don't know. I don't drink alcohol. A lot of sugar. Not anymore. I've backed off on that. I'm active, super active. I don't know. I try not to take prescription drugs. I take them as little as possible. I try the natural antidotes instead. Drink a lot of water. I don't know. It's hard to say what my makeup is. But anyway, for me, it was no big deal. And I haven't had the virus to begin with. So for all I know, I was a carrier. My wife Patricia, very lucky. She hasn't gotten it, and she hasn't gotten the shot yet either. I don't know if she's going to, but because she kind of protested in that. Anyway, that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching, and we'll let you know after 36 hours. I got another one more shift to work tonight, and then that'll be after 36 hours. Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my blog. This is a continuation of getting the Moderna COVID shot yesterday. Coming up on 36 hours, and then my upper body arm joints are hurting, and I got a slight dull headache, but I think it's probably just because I didn't eat. But I think I'm doing fine. It's not knocking me off my butt, not knocking me on my butt like I was expecting. So, all right, we'll see how we do after this 8 hours of shift. Hey, Dana here, And welcome to my vlog. Well, we're coming on 48 hours after my COVID shot, and I'm finishing my first rotation within the month of my new job. 4 days on, 3 days off. Well, actually, what is it? Yeah, it's 4 days on, 4 days off, and then 3 days on, 3 days off. So I've just completed my 4 on, and then and my 3 on. So I like it. It's just, you know, the drive, 45 minutes to get here. But you know, what are you gonna do? You gotta work. Even when you want to retire, you're gonna have to find something to do. You just can't sit around the house and do nothing. So, but now you got a new frame of mind. You work when you want to work. Also, again with the Moderna shot, I went through with that. If it hasn't happened now, it's not going to. So I'm happy with that. I might have felt a little weak. Might have had a very dull headache if I had one at all, and maybe a neck and joint pain for a little bit. But other than that, flying colors. And now it is Easter morning 2021, and unfortunately one of our Shih Tzus got out of the yard and didn't come home last night, and he's been missing since about, we can't remember other than the fact that we didn't see him after 6 o'clock when the wife was doing her head count and checking to make sure they were all in after she was outside. He'd got out with his brother Bear, and Bear came home, but he didn't. So she's been looking for him since 6 o'clock, and of course it's 2:30 in the morning right now. She ain't sleeping. It's like you know, one of our 9 Shih Tzus is missing. So been looking in the ditches and he ain't there. So we put up on Facebook, as you probably see, and somebody said they thought they saw a pair of dogs down the road in the neighborhood. So one came home again and the other one didn't, of the boys. So all the girls are home, Daddy's home, Mama's home, and the other son is home. So I'm gonna be going home, doing my walk, and see if I see anything. I'm thinking he might be inside somebody's house, so we're hoping that's going to work out. So I'm having to think about that all night at the same time and trying to do my job. There are children, and it's bad. This is the first time we've had an issue like this. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You can catch me on the next Crosby's Vlogs, My Life at 60.